What's up, YouTube and TikTok? It's a boy Ethics Fiend, that guy who chased money better than your ex. So, guys, today I have a complaining yarn. I don't know what's going on, but I saw a video from my brother, Percy 5, guys. The problem is. As Maji, that you know, obviously, guys, as gens, there is some other things we can't do, like we understand, or obviously, so for girls, they can kiss, but for us, I don't know what's going on, Kamalume, but hey, Braga, I don't want to say anything, I was just surprised, so like, what the hell, yo?